Okay, it's cold. I don't know, maybe it's 35. I washed my car and it doesn't look too bad. It looks like it dried pretty good. Black car is always hard to clean. Some spotting, but it always spots. There's the back window. You ever get that where it kind of bakes on? Anyways, that's not why I'm here. I'm filling up for tomorrow. I'm going to mainly do insides and forget the water fetting on the outside. But here's my system. Here's one reel. Here's another reel. There's one tank filling up. Then I have my Sim hogs. I'm going to try out the Tucker hog. We sell Tuckers now. Okay. This is so weird. This is the wastewater, and I've never seen it so clean. Anyways, this is my system. All comes in a sprayer with the ledgers, and then there's the other little portable sprayer. There's one battery, one pump. That takes care of this tank here, pumps out here. I normally water my garden, but no garden in the winter. Now, here's one pump. You switch it on. We're using these air valves. This is the big tank, almost 35 gallons. This is for Myron. We're running 2 Tech 7s. All right, there's one at the end of the hose and one here, and I don't know if this is causing it, but look at that. That's my RO, 0. In fact, my TDS was 2. I had to change out the TDS because they didn't want to screw up the RO. So I'm going to double check that on a meter. It just seems too good to be true, especially at 35 degrees. All right, so we have it coming through the charcoal here, and then it comes through the sediment, and then it goes into the RO unit that I have hidden down here, which is the Axiom everybody's used, and then comes here and goes to the tank, and I can split the tanks, fill them both up at the same time, or one each. Eventually I'll put the float valves back on, and I poured in, oh, I don't know, probably 16 ounces of pure methanol. Get that on Amazon for tomorrow, so I'll be all set for tomorrow. Eventually, when I get these motors work out, I'll mount them up here and have the batteries here. You can see I'm pretty packed. There's my electrical wire. We hardly ever use it. Great hose from Ace Hardware. Washed my car. Wanted to show you, what did I want to show you? There's oh yeah, the Little Giant. These things are great. See how much room they have? And then I have this for several years for your ladder. And I got this gizmo, but it may work better on other vehicles because it's designed to go on the ledge of an and then you stand on here to reach your ladders on the top. Oh, you know me, I'm always getting gadgets. Okay, that's it for now. Alexander's Window Cleaning. We have a big sale on SimPole with the ledgers I got at the show. But any questions, Alexander's Window Cleaning, SimPole Inc., or www.simple.com or WeDoWindows.com, excuse me.